So hi, we're on a little field trip today. I have a design show in a little over a month. I have to come up with 6 interesting arrangements for a garden club. The theme is going to be Thanksgiving and Christmas. So I'm here today at Hobby Lobby for some design inspiration. I'm going to take you with me. So I always check the weekly ads because Hobby Lobby has these great deals and they rotate. So I came today because I see that the Christmas decor is 50% off, the fall decor is 40% off, and decorative lanterns, bird cages, terrariums are also 50% off, and home decor in most categories are 50% off. And that's usually what I go for to see what kind of interesting containers will inspire me for the design show. And we will also check out what kind of seasonal decor they have. So let's go. I think we'll head over to the lanterns and bird cages first. So here are all the decorative lanterns. I was thinking of doing some kind of a fall or a Christmas theme, a lantern arrangement. So let's take a look at what they have. They always have the best selection, and at 50% off, it's usually a really, really good deal. This here is $200 normally, and it's $100 right now. And I think I'll pick this up for myself. I'm going to do an orchid terrarium in this, and I'll show you in one of our videos. I'm going to go ahead and take this one. At $100, I think this is a very good value because it's very dramatic. This is really beautiful. It's $40, so it's 50% off. This is only $20. I think it's a little bit small for the design show, but I love it. I almost want to get it for my house. Maybe I'll hold off. But $20, that's really great. This might be big enough for what I'm thinking of doing. Let's see how much this is. This is $55, so it's what, $27? I think that's a pretty good value. I think I could probably use this in my design show. We're gonna go ahead and pick this one up. This is so cute with the little birds in it already. But I don't think I could get an arrangement in here, so I think I'll pass. What about this? Don't know. I like this, but a little bit too rustic. But I can see how you can put little ferns or even potted plants in here, like a little terrarium. Be so cute. I wonder how much this one is. Oh, this is really beautiful. This is $75, so it's going to be a lot more than that one. I'll go ahead and put this in the cart as well. I'm going to go to the next aisle and take a look at the other props that they have. I've done a lot of arrangements in these tiered trays. I have one right now in my studio that I can use. So I think I'll hold off. And most of these are a little bit too rustic for what I want to do for this design show. I'm going to go across to see what kind of containers they have. So here's where they have all the containers. So I'm going to take a look to see if there's any pottery that I can use. You can also go to the flower market for this. But I always like to check because it's 50% off. Oh, I always love this container. I've seen it many times. I love the blue and the shape of it. I might go for this one. This is $32, so it makes it $16. I think we're gonna have to snag this. Let's go check out what they have for fall and Christmas decor. Sometimes in the middle aisles, they'll have these vignettes set up with the fall and Christmas themed decor. And let's take a look. Okay, I'm looking at these reindeer and cardinals. This is how I sort of design. Sometimes you see something that inspires you. I want to maybe put a little bit of like a subtle Christmas, touch into one of the arrangements. I don't know which one I'm going to go with. I really like the reindeers. They're very subtle. I'm now thinking of doing these in the blue container. But I also love the red with that blue. So I like both of these. And the wonderful thing is all the Christmas decor is 50% off. So I could get both and decide later. There's this pair of deer wood, which I think is really beautiful too. So I'm going to take this over and take a look at what size-wise works with that blue container. I was thinking of doing a wreath arrangement here and then having this space open and maybe having the deer here. So I think this actually would work pretty well size-wise. I like the subtle colors, and two of them in different positions look really nice to me. And then the little bird is cute, but I think I'm gonna go with a reindeer. No way, $10.99, 50% off. That makes this $5.50. Definitely gonna go with this. It's gonna be great. So one of the arrangements I'm going to do for the Christmas show, the holiday show, is going to be a tall candelabra arrangement. I'm not sure what colors I'm going to use, but I was thinking this would be very festive, these sprays. There's only two of these. It's sort of a champagne silver. I like this color. It's not too silver, it's not too gold. I like this champagne color. I would love it if they had a third one. And these are $3.99, so 50% off makes them $2 each. So I'm gonna pick up some of these to use. Ah, there's some gold ones here. Okay, I'll just pick up two of each for a total of $8. I think that's a lot of glitz and glamour for $8. Look, they have the same deer in the silvery glitter. I don't know, the wood natural or the silver. I love both. Oh my gosh, I can't decide. I'll put both in the cart and I'll surprise you. Look what I found. All these cute little sleighs. I don't know, I like this one because the size is really good. You can do a beautiful arrangement in this, Christmas theme, but unusual. But I'm kind of leaning towards going big and going for this. I could put a kind of whitewashed or slightly rustic container on here, or even an invisible container. I'm just trying to think if this sleigh would show through if I put an arrangement on it, or is it just kind of strange to have it on a platform like this? So I'm trying to decide between this and this. I like how this is very dramatic. This is, you know, less dramatic, but this might be easier to use. Oh, this is exactly what I'm looking for. Look how cute these snowy owls are, and they're on a pick. So I think I'm going to go with this little galvanized sled. And then I found this bundle of snow-covered twigs. I think it's kind of cute. I'm not sure if I'll use it or not, but I definitely want to use these cute little snowy owls. So this is where they have all the Christmas picks. I love these. You can mix a lot of these with your fresh flowers for an interesting texture and for a little bit of holiday, you know, glitz. I like the white fern. I also like the crystals on a stem. These are very pretty on a brown stem, really beautiful. How about these guys? Looks like rock sugar almost. Oh, I like that. I think I like this the most. And how much are these? These are 99 cents. 50% off means they're 50 cents. Gotta grab some of these, they're gonna be great. So this is how I design sometimes. A container will inspire me, or a cute little prop, or a color, and then I'll go through and look for other components. I like these frosted cones too, because I hate having to wire and use real cones. So these frosted cones are actually really great. been kind of concentrating on Christmas. So I have to think I have to do some Thanksgiving fall decor as well. I love these pumpkin picks because it's hard to use the real pumpkins because if you poke a stake in them, they go bad in a couple days. So I think this is great. This white pumpkin, this and these two orange pumpkins. I think this will be great. So I'm going to pick these up. So I am looking for something for this arrangement. And I'm thinking this black two-tier tray would be really cool with the pumpkins, fall foliage, fall flowers. Yeah, I'm going to put that in the cart. Oh, I can't believe I found the perfect wreath. I can make this with willow, but I don't think it'd be as round as this. This is artificial, but this is how I kind of envision it. Kind of like a wreath design in this vase with the reindeers here. And I think I'm going to go with the champagne silver reindeer because the wood one is just kind of too rustic, I think, the whole thing. I think that contrast of a little bit of glitter and the rustic is really awesome. So yay. This is a little bit expensive, but I'm going to go for it. It's $15. Okay, I think we're done and ready to check out.